Colors flying, laughter filling the air. But wait, what's really in those holy powders your kids are playing with? This Holi, let's keep the celebration pure, vibrant, and safe. Today, I'll show you how to make your own non-toxic, kid-friendly Holi powders using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. No harsh chemicals, just nature's palette, crafted with love. Let's get mixing. Red beetroot powder plus cornstarch equals bold and beautiful. Yellow turmeric and a little rice flour, just enough to tone it down without staining. Green dry spinach powder blended fine. Fresh as spring. Purple dried hibiscus petals crushed into magic. Here's a pro tip. Let the powders dry overnight for the best texture. Oh, and bonus, it smells amazing, honestly, like a farmer's market and an art studio had a baby. And you know what the best part is? You can let your kids help out without worrying about what's getting on their hands or even in their mouths. This Holi, let's color outside the box and inside the heart. Drop a little leaf emoji in the comments if you're trying this with your little one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more holistic DIY fun.